In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Constant Contact subscription or free trial. First, start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Use your usual login details, and if you have extra verification turned on, enter the code they send to complete the sign-in. Make sure you're on the main dashboard before moving on. Next, head to your billing or account settings. You'll typically find this in the top right corner under your profile or company name, or in a sidebar labeled Account, Billing, or My Account. Open that section so you can see the tools that control your plan and payments. Now check your trial or subscription status. Look for indicators that say free trial, active subscription, renewal date, or next billing date. This tells you whether you're in a trial period that will expire on its own, or if you're on a paid plan that renews automatically. Understanding your current status is important because it determines whether you need to actively cancel or simply let a trial end. From here, choose the option that best fits your situation. You'll typically see choices like cancel, close account, or manage plan. If you're trying to stop future charges, look for cancel or close options. If you only want to reduce costs but keep access, the manage plan area may let you switch to a different tier. Take a moment to read any notes next to these options so you pick the one that matches your goal. Follow the cancellation instructions provided on screen. This might include confirming your reason, reviewing what will happen to your data or emails, and acknowledging any timing details about when access ends. Read each prompt carefully, especially if they mention proration, remaining time, or the exact date your account will close. When prompted, confirm the cancellation to finalize it. Finally, confirm the cancellation, or if you're on a trial that doesn't require cancellation, let it expire. After confirming, look for an on-screen message and check your email for a confirmation notice. It's a good idea to keep that message for your records. If you see a note that trials don't need to be canceled, simply allow the trial to run out and verify that it does not convert to a paid plan. Either way, revisit your billing page to make sure your status reflects the change. That's it. By walking through login, opening billing, or account settings, checking your status, selecting the right option, completing the prompts, and confirming the result, you can cancel your Constant Contact subscription or let your trial end with confidence.